Hi guys, welcome to come back again. Not class. Are you ready? Good job. How are you today? Yes, very good. Not class. Today we study with Unit 11. Look at on the animals. Okay. Before you study with the first which word. Now, can you sing a song? Okay, good job. Now let's sing with me. Can you sing?
The farmer who had a dog and Bingo was his name. I-N-G-O.
Ready? Yeah. Now let's study with vocabularies. The first, Nakla, can you listen?
Cow. Cow.
Cow. It means Vietnamese. Yes, con bò. Yeah, continue.
Goat. Goat.
Goat. Goat. Các bạn lưu ý cái âm cuối ha. Bật ra các bạn nha. It means Vietnamese. Con dê. Now, continue listen.
Horse. Horse.
Yes, horse. Horse. Okay. Vietnamese. It means con ngựa. That's good. Not fast. Continue.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey. It means Vietnamese. Con lừa. Okay. Yeah. Do you ever see donkey? Yeah. Good job. Continue.
Goose. Goose.
Goose. Goose. Vietnamese. Okay. What is this animal? Yeah. Con ngỗng. That's good. Yes, okay. Not was, okay. What do you like animal? Goose, donkey, horse, goat, cow. Okay. Can you repeat for me? Cows, goat, horse, donkey, goose. That's good. Okay, continue. Now what? You look at about the picture from 1 to 3. Now what? Can you listen? The first picture 1.
Wow, look at all the animals, Billy.
Yes, okay. Continue. Picture 2. Can you listen?
Look, this cow is bigger than that cow.
Yes, it's the mommy cow.
Yeah. Are you okay? Good job. Continue. Picture 3.
And this sheep is smaller than that sheep.
It's a baby sheep.
Yes, very good. Next to picture 4.
Look, a baby donkey and a mommy donkey. That's right, Billy.
Yes, continue. Picture 5.
Look, a baby donkey and a mommy donkey. That's right, Billy.
Look, that goat is bigger than the other goats.
Is it a daddy goat?
Yes. Okay, good job. And last one. Picture 6.
No, it's a hungry baby goat.
Yeah? Are you ready? So continue now class. You look at the conversation 1 and conversation 2. Okay. Yeah, this is conversation. Can you listen and repeat? Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Now class, can you look at the picture 1? Can you answer for me? Where are they? Yes, good job. They are on the pram. Good. Okay, now class, can you listen and repeat?
Listening 117. Listen and read.
Wow, look at all the animals, Billy.
Wow, look at all the animal, Billy. Now class, can you repeat? Good job. Continue.
Look, this cow is bigger than that cow.
Yes, it's the mommy cow.
Okay. Look, this cow is bigger than that cow. Yes, it's the mommy cow. Okay, good job. Wow, now what? Continue conversation 3. Before you listen and repeat, you answer for me. Wow, a lot of animals. What do you see animal in the picture? They are sheep. And they are, what are they? They are donkey. Okay, baby donkey and mommy donkey. Not what? Can you listen and repeat?
And this sheep is smaller than that sheep.
It's a baby sheep.
Okay, let's repeat for me. And this sheep is smaller than that sheep. It's a baby sheep. Good job. Continue conversation 4.
Look, a baby donkey and a mommy donkey. That's right, Billy.
Yes, look, a baby donkey and a mommy donkey. That's right, Billy. Yeah, it's right. Now, last one. Picture sheep and picture. Okay. Fry and picture sheep. Now what? You look at about picture fry. Can you listen and repeat for me?
Look, that goat is bigger than the other goats.
Is it a daddy goat?
Look, the girls. That girl is bigger than the other girls. Is this a daddy goat? Yeah, good.
No, it's a hungry baby goat.
No, it's a hungry baby girl. Yeah, great. Good job. Okay. After Nakwa, can you listen and repeat about conversation 1 to conversation session 6? Okay. Now, class, you can practice for me. Okay. Now, student A and student B, Carol, practice for me. Are you ready? Yeah, 5 minutes for me. Bây giờ thì các bạn nhớ là mình sẽ chọn một bạn của mình trong lớp và các bạn thực hành bài đối thoại này ha. Ok. Và các bạn nhớ là đọc với ngữ điệu thật hay nha. Mình sẽ chọn một bài đối thoại trong 6 bài mình thích ha. Ok. Are you ready, class? Yeah, good job. Very good. Thank you. Stop here. Goodbye. Thank you so much.